Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one-stop for all things tech. I'm Rini Gupta, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting-edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. And also, we're adding something new, a daily AI tool or tip to help you work smarter and live more efficiently in this digital age. So our lead story today is about Dell launches Alienware 16 Aurora gaming laptop in India. YouTube to crack down on AI spam from July 15th. YouTube is rolling out stricter monetization rules under its YouTube Partner Program, YPP, targeting low-quality, AI-generated spam content starting July 15th. The platform aims to curb the rise of AI slop, mass-produced videos made using generative AI tools, stock visuals, and auto-narration that lack originality. While YouTube says this is a clarification of long-standing policies, the new guidelines emphasize authentic, human-created content. Reaction or transformative videos remain eligible for monetization. According to YouTube's Rini, this is not new, stressing that repetitive, mass-produced content has never been allowed. Additionally, YouTube is removing the bare skin, image-only ad category on July 15th. Urging creators to use more specific tags like reference to sex by August 15th. Elon Musk's X slashes subscription prices by up to 48%. Elon Musk's platform X, formerly Twitter, has cut subscription prices in India by up to 48%, aiming to boost user adoption in the competitive social media market. Premium mobile plans now cost $470 month, down from $900, while web users pay $427 month, reduced from $650. The basic plan dropped to $170 month, from $243.75, with annual billing now at $1,700. Premium Plus subscriptions also saw steep cuts, $2,570 month on web, down from $3,470, and $3,000 month on mobile, down from $5,100. Basic users enjoy features like longer posts and media downloads, while premium tiers offer verification and exclusive tools. OpenAI's Windsurf deal collapses, DeepMind steps. In OpenAI's $3 billion acquisition of AI coding startup Windsurf has officially collapsed, and Google DeepMind has swiftly stepped in. In a dramatic twist, Windsurf CEO Varun Mohan, co-founder Douglas Chen, and top researchers are joining DeepMind. However, Google isn't acquiring the company. Instead, it paid 20 times 600 crore, $2.4 billion for a non-exclusive license to Windsurf's technology. The startup remains independent, with interim CEO Jeff Wang assuring that operations and products will continue. This reverse acqui-hire tactic allows Google to gain talent and tech without triggering regulatory scrutiny. The move reflects a broader AI arms race, where securing brains and code is more valuable than outright ownership. Acer Aspire Go 14 launched in India with Intel Core Ultra 7 and AI features. Acer has launched the Aspire Go 14 in India, its most affordable AI-powered laptop, starting at Rs 59,999. Targeted at students and home users, it features up to Intel Core Ultra 7 H series CPUs, Intel Arc graphics, and Intel AI Boost NPU. It sports a 14-inch VoxGA IPS display in a sleek aluminum chassis and includes a dedicated Copilot key for AI-assisted tasks like summarizing text and voice commands. The laptop supports up to 32GB DDR5 RAM and 1TB PCIe Gen 3 SSD, running Windows 11 out of the box. It packs a 55-hour battery with a 65W USB-C adapter, weighs just 1.5 kg, and offers Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, USB AC ports, and an RJ45 Ethernet port. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 gets Rs 39,600 price cut in India after Fold 7 launch. Samsung has slashed the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 by Rs 39,600 in India following the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The 12GB RAM plus 256GB variant is now available at a more attractive price on Amazon, making it a compelling option for foldable phone buyers. Despite being a generation older, the Fold 6 still packs a punch with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, vibrant 6.3-inch outer and 7.6-inch inner displays, S Pen support, and a premium foldable experience. Its triple camera setup, solid build using Armor aluminum and Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and IP48 rating add to its appeal. With the same 4400 mAh battery and fast charging capabilities as the Fold 7, it remains a powerful all-rounder. Samsung. Today, AI tool of the day is Notion AI. Boost your productivity with Notion AI. Whether you're writing blogs, summarizing long notes, or brainstorming content ideas, Notion AI integrates seamlessly into your workflow. From auto-generated to-do lists to rewriting messy notes into polished documents, it's your personal thought partner built right into Notion. If you haven't tried it yet, this might be your sign to get organized with AI. Today, lead story of the day is about Dell to launch Alienware 16 Aurora gaming laptop in India on Amazon. Dell Technologies is set to launch the Alienware 16 Aurora gaming laptop in India on July 12, 2025, exclusively through Amazon as part of the Prime Day sale. Starting at Rs 129,990, the high-performance laptop features Intel's latest Core Series 2 processors and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 GPUs. It boasts a 16-inch WQXGA display with a 120Hz refresh rate, cryo-chamber thermal architecture for efficient cooling, and Dolby Audio dual speakers. Other highlights include Wi-Fi 7, Comfort View Plus, and a compact magnesium aluminum build in a new interstellar indigo color. Designed for gamers and multitaskers, it supports DDR5 RAM and PCIe Gen 4 SSDs. From July 17, it will also be available via Dell.com and retail outlets like Chroma, Reliance Digital, and VJ Sales. A dedicated stealth mode helps optimize fan noise and battery life during non-gaming usage. And that's a wrap on today's Tech Bulletin. I'm Rini Gupta, and this is IT Voice, where we break down tech minus the jargon. Don't forget to like, follow, and share if you found this helpful. And I'll see you tomorrow with more tech stories, updates, and your daily AI tool. Until then, stay curious and stay connected.